Hello and welcome to this video on handling customer complaints. When a customer is complaining, listen with interest and empathy. Apologize by saying, "I'm sorry that you have been inconvenienced or this has happened," and take the steps to overcome the complaint. When you are unsuccessful in handling a complaint, give the customer the opportunity to speak to a manager. Inform the manager of all unresolved complaints. Follow through with what you said you would do. 1. Never argue with a customer. Tell the customer that you are upset to hear this problem in a sympathetic way. 2. Do not try to excuse the fault by blaming someone else. This will not make the customer happy. 3. Try to ensure that all complaints are settled within the facility. We do not want a customer leaving unhappy. 4. At all times, when dealing with a customer, politeness is of the utmost importance. 5. Tell the customer that you will do something about this problem and report the complaint to the proper manager. Always follow up by finding out if the customer was taken care of after they talk with the manager. Again, these tips are designed to help you work smarter, not harder. If you have any questions, please contact your manager. Good luck.